Representing and finding area with color tiles. The standard for today is 3.md.c.7, relate area of rectangles to the operations of multiplication and addition, and we will be looking at sections A and B. Section A, find the area of a rectangle with whole number side lengths by tiling it and show that area is the same as would be found by multiplying the side lengths. To begin, you will have your students visualize the shape as a whole. In this case, we have a rectangle. The students will do this by building the rectangle out of the color tiles and then counting the tiles that they have placed down. In this problem, the color tile will represent a square foot. A rectangle is 4 feet tall and 5 feet wide. What is the area of the rectangle? So first, we will build the rectangle. And you can tell your students it is okay if the color tiles are not perfectly aligned at first. They can squish them together to make it more neat if they need to at the end. You can also tell your students that they will also be filling in the inside with the color tiles to get the accurate answer. Now that we have built our rectangle, we have a rectangle that is 4 feet tall and 5 feet wide. You can also have your students label on the side. From here, you have your students count all of these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And to double check their work, you can have your students complete a multiplication problem. 4 times 5 equals 20. So in this case, the area equals 20 square feet. Section B, multiply side lengths to find areas of rectangles with whole number side lengths in the context of solving real-world and mathematical problems and represent whole number products as areas in mathematical reasoning. Although counting the color tiles is a great way to find the area of a shape, it is not very time efficient. This next way will be much quicker for your students, and it is even the same way that they check their last answer. To begin, our problem is a rectangular countertop is 3 feet wide and 8 feet long. What is the area of the countertop? So as you can see, the rectangle is not completely filled in this time. So the color tile's purpose this time is to help your students visualize each of the sides. And from here, all the students are going to do is multiply. So they are going to take 8 times 3. You can have them show their work at the bottom. Equals 24. So in this case, the area of the countertop is 24 square feet. And if you do want your students to go back and get another visualization, you can have them fill in all of the color tiles once again. And once they have filled in all of them, at the end, they will have that there are 24 tiles on the page. This next problem will be our third and final problem. The purpose of this problem is to show that the color tiles also work when using squares as well as changing your unit, which in this case will be inches. So for our problem, we have a postcard is 5 inches tall and 5 inches wide. What is the area of the postcard? Once again, the square is not completely filled in. The students are trying to focus on the side lengths to be more time efficient. So in this case, if each of these side lengths is 5, your students will just do 5 times 5. So the area of the postcard is 25 square inches. And once again, if needed, the students can go back in and fill in each of these spots to see that there will be 25 color tiles at the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are able to use color tiles in your classroom soon.